Attention fitness business owners, are you looking to transform your social media profiles and get unlimited free leads for your fitness business? Well, look no further because we have the solution for you. Introducing the Fitness Lead Machine System, an interactive blueprint that will show you how to optimize your social media profiles to generate more leads and sales for your business. Imagine having an unlimited supply of new customers walking through your doors, all thanks to your social media presence. With the Fitness Lead Machine System, you can turn your profile into a powerful machine that grows your fitness business on autopilot. And the best part? It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here's how it works. Every time you interact on social media by liking, commenting, sharing, or posting, you're generating organic traffic back to your profile page. Even if you're not that active on social media, you still have potential customers passing through your profile every day. But if your profile isn't optimized to capture and convert that traffic, you're missing out on free leads. That's where the
Fitness Lead Machine System comes in. Our 9-point optimization system turns your profile page into a powerful lead trap that captures free leads from social media. And to make it even better, you can connect the perfect sales funnel into your profile to siphon off even more free fitness leads from organic social media traffic.
The results are instant, and it's easy to do. Plus, once it's set up, you can drive on-demand traffic from your smartphone just by interacting on social media. It's the fastest, easiest, and most beginner-friendly way to start and grow your fitness business online today. But don't just take our word for it. Try the Fitness Lead Machine System risk-free for 14 days. If you don't absolutely love it, we'll refund your $7 and let you keep the blueprint. That's how confident we are in the effectiveness of our system. So, if you're ready to transform your social media profiles and start generating unlimited free leads for your fitness business, click the button below to get instant access. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your business to the next level. Remember, we respect your privacy and information, and we're here to help if you need any assistance. So don't wait, get started today and see the amazing results for yourself.